bottle of washing up liquid will take you a long way in life. Here are 5 surprising uses for it that don't involve cleaning dishes. Stain removal. Apply it to stains on your clothes, carpets or upholstery, then launder or wipe clean. Wash your windows. Just mix a little bit with warm water to make an effective window cleaning solution. Clean your bathroom. Washing up liquid is great for cleaning sinks and bathtubs due to its foaminess and ability to cut through grease. Clean your garden furniture. A good scrub with warm soapy water will make your tables, chairs and benches look inviting again. Fix a creaky door. Squirt a small amount onto your noisy hinge and open and close it a few times.
Thanks for watching this household hack. Click the link on screen to sign up to our weekly newsletter. It's packed with money-saving tips, product reviews and expert advice and is completely free. Check out the video below to find out how to fold your t-shirt in just 3 seconds. And for more video content like this, hit subscribe.